Hi guys, welcome back to another lesson with Abhishek sir. My name is Abhishek, an English language trainer, training the people to the tune of spoken English and developing their personalities and life through spoken English. यदि आप इस चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो आप इसे अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, इस वीडियो को अभी लाइक भी कर दें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल पर प्रेस करके ऑल पर भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाले सारे वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। मैं और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स, ये छोटे छोटे स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने इस वीडियो में लिया है और मैं दिखाना चाहता हूं कि जैसे छोटे बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, क्या आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना आप चाहते हैं, लेकिन बिना प्रैक्टिस करे ना तो सिंगिंग आ सकती है, ना तो डांस करना सीख सकते हैं, ना तो कार ड्राइविंग सीख सकते हैं, ना तो खेलना ही आप सीख सकते हैं। तो ये एक स्किल डेवलपमेंट है और यहाँ हम जितनी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही ज्यादा एक्सपर्टाइज, कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे अंदर आ जाएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, अक्सर जैसे हमने लास्ट वीडियोस में किया था, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट इज योर मदर डूइंग, यानी हमने प्रेजेंट की बात की थी, अभी की बात की थी। लेकिन यदि हमें पूछना होगी इसे कि आप क्या कर रहे थे उस समय आप क्या कर रहे थे, अक्सर आप पूछते हैं भाई मैंने आपको कॉल किया था रात को, आई कॉल्ड यू लास्ट नाइट, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग। तो इंग्लिश में वॉज वर्ब का यूज थोड़ा थोड़ा करना आपको पहले से आता है, लेकिन वॉज वर्ब के साथ जब हम एक्शन में आईएनजी यूज करते हैं, यानी मैं आपसे कहूं व्हेन यू कॉल्ड मी अप लास्ट नाइट आई वाज वाचिंग टीवी, आई वाज नहीं बोलेंगे इसको, आई वाज, माय मदर वाज, माय फादर वाज, शंकर साथ में हम एक्शन आईएनजी यूज करेंगे। सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग, व्हाट वाज योर फादर डूइंग। अब मैं इन लोगों से सवाल जवाब करूंगा और आप देखेंगे कि ये कितने आसानी से जवाब दे सकते हैं। ये हो सकता है कि छोटी मोटी गड़बड़ कर दें, बट डजंट मैटर, दीज आर लर्नर्स, ये लोग लर्नर्स हैं। सो अनुष्का, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग एट 6 in the morning today?
I was sleeping at 6 in the morning today.
Okay, what were you doing at 7?
I woke up at 7 today in the morning.
You woke up at 7.
Yeah.
What were you doing at 7:30?
I was sitting on the sofa at 7:30 in the morning.
What were you doing last night at 10?
I was watching TV last night at 10.
Okay, what were you doing at 8 o'clock last night?
I was taking dinner at 8 o'clock.
What was your mother doing at 8 o'clock last night?
She was serving dinner at 8 o'clock last night.
At 8 o'clock she was serving dinner?
Yes.
Okay, what was your father doing at 8 o'clock last night?
He was using his phone at 8 o'clock last night.
Okay, what was your grandfather doing at 8 o'clock last night?
He was watching news at 8 o'clock last night.
So guys, आप लोगों को अनुष्का के लिए क्लैपिंग करनी चाहिए और आपको कमेंट्स में लिखकर बताना चाहिए अनुष्का का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा था, राइट? यदि आप सुन रहे हैं, इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, तो आप भी घर बैठे बैठे प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए। आप चाहे नोट करके करें, चाहे आप कमेंट्स में प्रैक्टिस करें, चाहे आप मेरे साथ साथ वीडियो को देखते रहें और साथ हल्का हल्का बोलते रहें, राइट? तो इससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाएगा। अब मैं इनसे बात करूंगा। आपका नाम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Anish.
Okay, your name is Ansh. What were you doing at 6 o'clock today?
Badminton at 6 o'clock today.
Okay, what was your father doing at 6 o'clock?
He was sitting at shop.
What was your mother doing at 6 o'clock?
He was cleaning the house.
She
was cleaning the house.
हाँ, guys, ये एक बड़ी ही कॉमन मिस्टेक है कि हम ही की जगह शी लगा देते हैं और शी की जगह ही लगा देते हैं। तो ध्यान रखिएगा, जेंडर चेंज मत कीजिएगा, इससे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, राइट? So what was your mother doing at 6 o'clock?
She was cleaning the house today.
She was
Cleaning the house.
cleaning. आपने cleaning में जो बोल रहे हैं उसमें cleaning clear नहीं बोल रहे हैं। She was clean, ऐसा सुनाई दे रहा है। She was cleaning the house. कहीं भी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तो सेंटेंस में क्लैरिटी कब नहीं होती? सेंटेंस में क्लैरिटी तब नहीं होती जब दिमाग में क्लैरिटी नहीं होती। नहीं तो आप अपनी लैंग्वेज को बहुत ही, मोदी जी से हमें सीखना चाहिए कि हमें कितना क्लियर बोलना चाहिए और कितना स्लोली बोलना चाहिए। मैं इनसे दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करूंगा। व्हाट वाज योर फादर डूइंग एट 7?
He was sitting at the shop.
Okay, what was your mother doing at 8 o'clock?
He was preparing the breakfast.
She
was preparing the breakfast.
was preparing the breakfast. What were you doing last night at 8 o'clock?
I was using my phone.
You were using your phone. What was your father doing at 8 o'clock last night?
Seeing a serial. Watching a serial.
He was watching the serial. इन्होंने कहा he was watching the serial. So what are you doing? What were you doing last night? What were you doing at 6 o'clock? What were you doing at 7 o'clock? What were you doing last Sunday? What were you doing last month? What were you doing during COVID lockdown? What were you doing in lockdown? I was preparing myself for shooting the videos. I was shooting the course of spoken English. Chaliye, Arinjay, what were you doing at 7 today?
I was sleeping at 7 today.
You were sleeping at 7 today. What were you doing at 8 o'clock?
I was sitting on the sofa
Okay.
at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock you were sitting on sofa. What were you doing at 9?
I was taking my breakfast today.
Okay, you were taking breakfast. What was your mother doing at 9?
She was preparing the breakfast.
Okay, what was your father doing at 9?
He was using his phone.
What was your grandfather doing at 9?
He was worshipping at 9 o'clock.
You have a sharp memory. You can visualize. देखा गाइस, इन्होंने विजुलाइज करके बोला, इन्होंने मैं इनके साथ ही बैठा हुआ था और इन्होंने सब कुछ वही बताया जो इनके सामने हो रहा था. तो ये सोच के बोल सकते हैं. यदि आप भी बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो फिर आप भी सोच कर बोल सकते हैं. आपको भी दिमाग लगाने की कोई खास जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So what were you doing at 6 o'clock today?
I was sleeping at 6 o'clock today.
What was your father doing at 6?
He was brushing at 6 o'clock today.
He was brushing at 6 o'clock. Guys, what were you doing at 6? Were you brushing? Were you taking a bath? Were you sleeping? Were you using your phone? What was your mother doing? So, what was your mother doing at 6 o'clock?
She was taking a bath.
She was taking a bath at 6 o'clock. What was your grandfather doing at 6?
He was sleeping at 6 o'clock today.
What was your chacha ji doing?
Actually, I don't know. Maybe he was sleeping at 6
He
o'clock.
was sleeping at 6. Do you have a chachi?
Yes, I have a chachi.
What was your chachi doing at 6?
She was sleeping at 6 o'clock today.
Okay, they both sleep a lot. Alright, what were you doing at 7?
I was taking bath at 7.
What were you doing last night at 10?
I was using mobile at 10. Yes.
Oh, you were using mobile. Guys, most of the people use mobile at bedtime. What were you doing last night at 10? Were you using mobile? मुझे comments में जरूर बताइए what were you doing at 10 last night? So, what were you doing last Sunday? Can you remember?
Yeah, I think I went to my Buaji house.
Okay, and you were staying there for all the time.
I came back at around 6 p.m. in the evening.
Of course, 6 p.m. in the evening, right? Okay, that's wonderful, guys. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करके दिखाया, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, लाउड एंड क्लियर, बहुत क्लियरली भी. तो आपको भी क्लैरिटी इनके जैसी ही लानी है. What about you? Sanvi, what were you doing at 6 today?
I was sleeping at 6 today.
Okay, what was your mother doing at 6?
She was preparing tea at 6 today.
Okay, what was your father doing at 6?
He was taking tea at 6 today.
What were you doing at 10 last night?
I was taking dinner at 10 last night.
Oh my gosh, at 10 you were taking dinner. So late. Why so late?
Actually, yesterday I had my dinner at the restaurant.
I had
my dinner at restaurant, but daily I had my dinner at around 8:30.
Okay, why did you go to a restaurant last night?
Because my father wanted.
Your father wanted.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what was the name of the restaurant?
The name of the restaurant was Dada's.
Okay, you went to Dada's. That's wonderful. So, what were you doing at 11 last night?
I was going to bed at 11 last night.
What were you doing in the morning at 7 today?
I was freshening up at the morning at the 7 today.
What was your father doing at 7?
He was reading newspaper at 7 today.
गाइस, तो इसे हमारा आपने पिछले वीडियो में सीख लिया था गाइस. सानवी ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया और इन सभी लोगों की परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है. मुझे आप कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपको किसका परफॉर्मेंस सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा मेरे अलावा. मेरा परफॉर्मेंस तो आपको ऑफ कोर्स सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा होगा, लेकिन इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी मुझे बताना है कि किसका परफॉर्मेंस और मेरी ऑडियंस ने सबसे ज्यादा पसंद किया. तो कीप वॉचिंग वीडियोस विद अभिषेक सर एंड कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना परफेक्शन आ जाएगा. सो गाइस, इस वीडियो को अभी लाइक करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करें और चैनल को यदि अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आप इसे अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मिलते हैं आपसे फिर एक नए वीडियो में। थैंक यू।